Magandang umaga po, mga partners namin Sunday. This is Joey Marcelo. And I just arrived from New Zealand at dun po na-witness namin kung paano po hina-harvest yung ating barley products. From the actual harvesting process up to the time na ito po ay dinideliver sa manufacturing plant para po i-dry, i-grind at i-pulverize and at the same time i-pack just ready for it to be shipped in Manila. Natutuwa po kami because we found out that in New Zealand alone, meron po silang more than 8,000 farmers. And out of these 8,000 farmers, only 5 of them are certified organic farmers. At ang nakakatuwa po ron, out of the 5, yung 3 po ang nagtatanim ng ating barley products. We are happy to say that we have the best source of barley in the entire planet. In fact, our partners in New Zealand are supplying huge amount of barley all over the world. In fact, ang pinakamalaking market po nila as far as we are concerned is Europe and Japan. And ladies and gentlemen, napakalaking opportunity po nito para sa ating mga Pilipino. Remember, dinesign po natin ang business ng Sante not only to be existing here in the Philippines but to capture the entire planet.